This is a final video to fix the social tab missing in Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. Are you frustrated because the social tab disappeared, leaving you unable to chat or see friends while gaming? This usually happens because of corrupted Xbox Game Bar files, disabled services, or a Windows update that altered the app settings. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall system apps, edit registry entries, or reset Windows, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem quickly and safely in just a few steps. First, we'll reset the Xbox Game Bar to restore default settings, then check and enable all necessary Xbox services, so the social tab can appear, and finally, repair any corrupted app files to ensure the feature works properly. This method works on almost all Windows 11 devices, keeps your games and data safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to restore the social tab in Xbox Game Bar, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and get the social tab back, so you can chat and play seamlessly with friends again